ready? We got Honda GX690, that's 24 horsepower. Comet TW4040 belt drive pump. It's 5 gallon per minute, 5,000 PSI. Fuel tank is included, batteries included, wheels or truck mount, however you want it. What else?
How many gallons a minute?
5 gallon a minute, 5,000 PSI.
Is this electric start or?
It is electric start only.
And how many tips come with it?
You got the 0, 15, 40, and a soap tip. You also come with a soap injector. Adjustable unloader here for pressure.
Comes a 50-foot hose and gun?
50-foot hose, no gun, yes.
And what's the manufacturer for the pump?
That's a Comet TW5050 pump.
Okay, great.